Well, happy Groundhog Day, everybody. This is February the 2nd, your early look at the weather. And it'll be interesting to see whether Martin Willie comes out of his hole and sees his shadow. Will he predict a short winter or 6 more weeks of winter? Not exactly sure. But if he looked at the radar, he would say, we're not seeing too bad of conditions out there today. And today's temperature will be much like it was yesterday, 4 or 5 degrees above the freezing mark. And as we look at the radar, there's really nothing much happening. A little shower activity just south of Grand Bend into the Stratford area, just north of London. Really nothing much here. Very, very calm, partly clear skies in the Toronto, Hamilton, Niagara area. Port Colborne down towards Port Dover, Simcoe area, Caledonia, Delhi, Selkirk, these areas, and looking pretty good shape right now. And it's going to be not a bad day ahead of us, and we could see some sun as well, with, as I mentioned, temperatures above the seasonal mark. However, there is an elephant in the room, and let's look at that right now. And that elephant in the room is that big low pressure system just below and to the west of the Great Lakes coming our way, and it's still on track to go over top of the northern part of Lake Huron and then through Sudbury area. And south of that, we're looking for rainy conditions for the most part. And rainy conditions in the area, say Toronto, Hamilton, Niagara, North Shore of Lake Erie, down towards London, should be in pretty good shape. Now, Environment Canada is watching a couple of areas. They're saying that because on the cold side of things, which is with northerly air, that the Owen Sound area, Bruce Peninsula, could get 2 to 4 centimeters of snow tonight before it does turn into some rain in the overnight period, so messy driving up there. But 3 areas they're watching very closely: Barrie, Muskoka, Bracebridge area into the Ottawa area. This is where they say could be the really messy stuff. After dinner, with blowing snow up around 60 kilometers per hour, you could get, again, 2 to 4 centimeters of snow, and then churning into some freezing rain, and then rain in the overnight period. So driving in this area, especially, they're saying right now, but this could change over the day. As you get into the Barrie, Muskoka area into Ottawa, this is where the really nasty stuff could happen after the dinner hour. But for most of us here in the south, we're looking just for a rain event to start probably after 6 or 7 o'clock tonight. So most people should be able to get home before the rains do come. But again, Kitchener is one in that area that there could be some snow mixed before the rain come, and there could be some freezing conditions as well. So we'll be watching that for you over the next few hours. But right now the track has been, or will be, exactly what we talked about over the last little while. Here's the numbers you need to know today. High of +5 with some sun to start the day, but you'll notice things start to cloud up. Tonight, with the rain here in the south, still looking for temperatures to stay above the freezing mark, about 3 degrees. And then tomorrow, 13 degrees with the rain. But then as that system slides by us, we'll lose the warmer air later on in the day, and we'll slide below the freezing mark with a few flurries. And then we'll be staying very, very close to seasonal for the next few days. At least that's how it looks right now.